In this video, we're going to highlight a website that allows users to earn cryptocurrency rewards through various gaming apps. So Bling Financial is a company that will actually allow you to earn crypto rewards through various apps, and everything gets pooled into one account. So you can stockpile the rewards and then redeem them for cryptocurrency. So by playing various games, you actually earn Bling points, and Bling points can be redeemed in cryptocurrency or cash. So the value of the Bling points changes depending on Bitcoin. However, it's generally about 100,000 Bling points equates to about 10 cents. You can redeem by purchasing cryptocurrency through wallets like Coinbase, or you can redeem it as cash through PayPal. Bling offers several affiliated apps with all different types of games, from word scramble types of games to mining games. You can actually get paid out on your first day, and you can redeem every 7 days after, so long as you meet the minimum threshold of about 100,000 Bling points. So another cool thing about this app is you get Bling points no matter if you beat the level or not. So the more you play, the more you earn. The two types of crypto that can be redeemed are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Creating an account is totally free, as well as downloading all of their games. All the apps are free. So you're not going to get rich by playing these games. However, it could be a fun way to earn a little extra cash or invest in some Bitcoin without putting your own money into it. In terms of cash out, you're actually going to cash out through your email. You cannot cash out through the apps. So you'll get an email when you have reached the minimum required to withdraw. The withdrawal options are Coinbase, PayPal, or you can do a Lightning transaction through various cryptocurrency wallets. Below is a list of the recommended digital wallets that you can transfer to. All right, so key takeaways. Signing up for Bling and downloading all the apps is 100% free. 100,000 Bling points is the minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw every 7 days. There's also multiple games that you can play that all pool into one account. If you enjoyed this video, I got plenty of other videos dealing with side hustle apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.